Hello there. This video will show you a system's application with simple operation used in weighing. In this video, I will be showing it to you the software I made for the scale house, the greenhouse over there. So we will be going there to see how the software works. First thing and for all, we're in HISUMCO Sugar Factory in Cananga in Leyte, Philippines, where the software is being operated. I am Andrew Fernandez, and I made the software myself. The software is customized to meet the operation standards required by HISUMCO. It is in the scale house where the software is used. This is where you can see cane cars piled and weighed individually. Right now inside the scale house, we can see the software. Here we use the RS232 serial interface cable from the computer connected to the load cell weight indicator. We are using Windows 7 as our operating system, but this can also run in Windows 10. However, right now we're using Windows 7. Now we can see the software synchronizes the running weight from the load cell indicator. First, the operator will key in the car number, then when pressing the enter key, will capture the actual weight and automatically calculates the net weight. You can see here the tare weight is now pre-encoded. Actually, the tare weight is already being done before the milling starts and stored in the database. And by the time a car number is entered during milling, we'll get the corresponding tare weight from the database. Then next, the operator will key in the thrust percentage, which is already their own assessment on how extent the thrust they saw from the sugarcane they are now weighing, including the remarks, basing from the chart provided by the management. And when after all the data is now entered for that cane car, it will now proceed to save and print all the data on a receipt. There is also this feature: in every 20 consecutive records saved to the database, there is a message will come out as if telling the operator to print a summary report in which the first record of the summary is key in and automatically the following records at the same time shows up to 20 records maximum. Another feature is the hourly tonnage, in which a personnel from the laboratory or a logman will come to the scale house on an hourly basis to get the figure or the total tonnage weighed on a certain hour. There's no way at all weighing a car number could occur twice within an hour, because the software will not accept or proceed unless the correct car number is entered. This happens only when the operator mistakenly key in the same car number that was already finished or weighed not very long, because whenever a certain cane car that is already being weighed obviously can never go back within an hour. It could also detect the load on a certain cane car. If it is in excess of 6,000 kilograms, will remark as a big load, and another remark of a small load if ever it is now below 3,000 kilograms. There is also this truck weighing, because there are private vehicles or transport vehicles will buy things inside the factory like molasses, mud press, or scrap materials. User can also create or modify his or her own password using the password generator provided by the software.